So you're at Disney World and want to ride some of the big kid rides, but your little one is too small or too scared to go on it? Well, Disney has you covered with Rider Swap. Stick around and we'll tell you how it works. So what is Rider Switch or Rider Swap, and how does it work? If a guest in your party can't or doesn't want to board an attraction, you don't have to miss out on it. If a child doesn't meet the height requirements or a guest does not wish to board a particular attraction, it's not a problem. With Rider Switch, one adult can wait with the non-rider or riders while the rest of the party enjoys the attraction. When the other adults return, they can supervise the non-riding guest, and the waiting adult can board the attraction without having to wait in the regular line again. Let's break Rider Switch down step by step. Rider Switch is available at select attractions at all 4 Disney World Resort theme parks. To use Rider Switch, first, check with a cast member to see if Rider Switch is offered at the attraction in question. Second, once at the attraction, approach the greeting cast member with your entire party. You'll want to make sure that you've got your whole party with you before heading into the Lightning Lane return entrance to set up Rider Swap, as cast members must see that you have a child in your party. This has always been the rule, but we've noticed that it is being more heavily enforced in the parks now. At least one adult member of your party and up to one additional guest who is not riding will be issued a Rider Switch entitlement by the cast member. This group is Party 2. Next, the other party members, Party 1, will enter the attraction through the standby queue. After riding the attraction, Party 1 will locate Party 2. Then, Party 1 takes over the supervision of the non-riding children or guests. Party 2 will head back to the attraction to the Lightning Lane entrance and validate Rider Swap eligibility by scanning their magic band or ticket and board the attraction without having to wait in the regular queue a second time. It is important to remember that Disney World recently updated its Rider Swap policy to only allow one additional person to ride with the second adult who waited. It used to be 3. Attractions that offer Rider Swap: Magic Kingdom Park, the Barnstormer, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Space Mountain, Splash Mountain, Tomorrowland Speedway, in Epcot, Frozen Ever After, Mission Space, Soarin', Test Track, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Alien Swirling Saucers, Millennium Force Smuggler's Run, Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith, Slinky Dog Dash, Star Tours The Adventure Continues, Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, Rise of the Resistance, Disney's Animal Kingdom Park, Avatar Flight of Passage, Dinosaur, Expedition Everest Legend of the Forbidden Mountain, Kali River Rapids, and the Navi River Journey. Rider Swap can definitely make your trip a little nicer for your adults or, well, your big kids involved. Now, we generally don't use Rider Swap because, well, we are there for our little man, but occasionally we do enjoy our adult rides. If this video helped, please give it a huge thumbs up, smash that like button if that's what you're into. It really does help spread my videos to a larger audience for them to get helped as well. And of course, if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to be notified when I release new content, and you'll never miss one of my videos. With that being said, I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you real soon.